Well, fall has come to the north woods of Wisconsin, and so has drought. It has been so dry, it's unbelievable. I have an extra 275 gallons of water on this trailer, in addition to the IBC tote that you see in the background. So today is September 4th, and the garden is looking pretty rough. Fall is about 3 or 4 weeks ahead of schedule. With the drought this year, I don't know if we're going to rebound from this one. Boy, a lot of stuff. The drought has caused a lot of our stuff to come due early. Like my peppers, a lot of them are still green, but they're going bad. Just don't have enough water to keep them going, so I'm going to go ahead and pick them, and we'll just eat green peppers this year. How are things going over here in Sweetie Land?
Well, I think that they produced less than last year. Last year this would be your normal size, but most of them this year tend to be more, you know what I mean? Drought, I'm assuming, that has made them smaller. They're about on the same schedule as they were last year, though. We still have a lot of green ones. I don't think we have produced as many. But yeah, we're still a great mix. So like some are almost ready to pick and some have just started turning. So we probably have a couple weeks on those if we can keep them going. And you know, their plants compared to like the dead early girl plant, their plants are all still green.
Oh, those tomatoes are toast. They need to be picked. The corn's probably ready. Got a couple of red peppers over there. I tell you, I must say that scaffolding that supports them is really impressive.
Yeah, it's really too bad that you didn't see all the losses and casualties before the scaffolding was built with the tomato baskets. Oh, no.
I opted not to put that in a video. See what I mean, though? These ones here from the drought, the body's still firm, but that thing is just a moment away from dipping into rot. So we're gonna pick it, put it in my box. This pepper is small but adorable. Didn't turn, so we're gonna eat it while it's green. And my favorite thing to do with green peppers is to make Philly cheesesteak sandwiches with them. Boy, there's gonna be a lot of sandwiches in my future. Yep, that's a lot of sandwiches. There's a couple beautiful peppers. That's a big box of peppers. All right, let's check out the corn. That looks done to me. That looks good. First ear of corn of the season. That is a lot of produce. Holy cow.